Hi besties, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, I'm Isa. I'm kind of introducing myself in this video because usually I don't post these kinds of videos, so if you found my channel through this video, just to let you know that I upload book related videos and sometimes lifestyle. That's why I'm uploading this video, but just to let you know, if you like books, if you want book recommendations, go ahead and subscribe because I got you. So before we start today's video, besties, I need your help. I really need your opinions and like your honest opinions on what I'm about to tell you. So for the last couple of weeks, I've been listening to a lot of podcasts. And one of my favorite podcasts is like Anything Goes by Emma Chamberlain and then the Lana Blakely podcast. I love those podcasts. So podcasts in general have always been like in the back of my head. I don't know why, but I've been kind of feeling like I would love to make a podcast. Like I would love to have that space where I can talk more openly and for like long periods of time. So please, I need your honest opinions. Please tell me in the comments if you would be interested in a book related podcast. That means that I would talk about books. Maybe we could have like a book of the month that we could all read, and I would talk about that book in one of the podcasts. But mostly I would talk about books, a little bit about my life sometimes, and I don't know. I just thought it would be very fun and like a safe space for me to talk more openly and just to have fun. In the near future, I think I'm gonna have a podcast. So I don't know, I just want your honest opinions on the comments. So yeah, that is the little intro that I wanted to like mention in this video before we get started. And today I'm going to be showing you my room. So I have gotten so many requests to do a room tour. So I'm going to try to mention all the things that I have gotten from big stores like IKEA, things like that, so you can get them. If not, I'm going to try to link very similar styles on Amazon. Sorry for the long intro. Let's get started. Okay besties, so there's my door, and back here I have my closet. So if I walk over here, I can open this door and this is my closet. However, I will not be showing my closet today in this video because my closet is so messy. It is a walk-in closet, but I can't even walk in because I have so many stuff all over the place. I need to get to that. But yeah, that is not gonna be part of this video. Okay, so next to the closet, I have like a wall here. I have a picture frame. I don't even know where I got this. It's very old. Like this has been in my room for many years, but it's like a Paris kind of collage type of thing. I'm gonna give you an overview of my room and then show you each section. So first things first, as you saw on the preview of my room, when you walk in my room, the wall on the back right here, which is next to the entrance, has my bookshelf. So that's what I'm gonna show you first. Okay, so these little boxes that you see right here, I honestly do not know where I got them from because my mom bought them for me like years ago. But I'm going to try to find similar ones on Amazon, and they're going to be linked down below. Okay, so first, all of these accessories that I have right here on top of the bookshelf. So this candle is from a local business. It's called Wick Ado. You can look for them on Instagram. And the fake plant that I have over there is also from a local business, but you can get similar ones on Amazon. And then this little thing is also from a local business. I shop a lot of local businesses. I put all my jewelry in there. And then this little bulldog that I always get questions on. Oh my gosh, I'm so sorry. But it's also from a local business. I am very sorry. I'm gonna try my best to find similar ones. But yeah, basically on top I have like my Colleen Hoover books. Those are my favorite books, so that's why they are like in the top of the bookshelf. So obviously I'm not going to tell you all the books that I have because I already have a bookshelf tour up if you want to see that. But the actual bookshelf, I am so sure that IKEA has similar ones, so look in the description because I am sure I can find one. Okay, next I have my bed and all of the pillows. I have no idea where I got my pillows. Also my blanket I got from Amazon, so look in the description if you are interested because I have gotten some some questions on my blanket because I take all of my book pictures in that blanket because I love it. I have had it for a little bit over a year now, and it's so good. Okay, so when you get to like this little corner beside my bed, I have my nightstand and some accessories, and then I have my makeup drawer. So first, the makeup drawer is the Alex IKEA, and then my nightstand, I honestly do not know where I got it. When I tell you is probably 10 years old or more, I'm not exaggerating, but it's a white nightstand. Then I have a lamp that I really use when I read in my bed, which a family member gave it to me. I think she got it in Hobby Lobby, and I loved it so much because it's pink. It's like the light pink, baby pink. And then I have like a frame, like a picture frame that I also got from a local business in Panama. I have my glasses, my iPhone charger. I use the MagSafe charger from ESR on Amazon. They're very like inexpensive, and I love that brand. So yeah, that is the little overview of what I have here. I have a full body mirror. So I do have like a big window in my room. Like my room is filled with windows and I love it. And in this little corner right here, I have, well, first here, if you were wondering what this is, but this is for my dog. This is my dog's bed. It's huge. I got it on Amazon. I'm gonna link it down below. My dog loves it. And then here, which is very messy, I'm sorry about that, I have like little shelves. So I have 4 shelves that I don't actually use to put books because these shelves are not strong like at all. Okay, so this is an overview of this bookshelf. I got this bookshelf like a month ago, 3 weeks ago, and I love it, you guys. I also have the little mini printer from Fomemo, which is really cool. It's honestly really cool. Like for accessories, I don't have much. Like my glasses, candles on the bottom. I have my Chains by Jewels, book accessories like bookmarks and everything. If you want a page holder, bookmark, handmade, you can shop from Chains by Jewels. I love that girl. She's so sweet. Okay, so the last part of my room is my desk. So this is where I spend most of my time. And I also want to mention that obviously my desk looks like very organized right now. And like my room looks organized, but you guys, like my room just does not look this organized. Always. Like I obviously organized my room for the video, so my desk does not look like this in a day-to-day basis. It looks hectic with so many shit on top of it, so keep that in mind. But the desk is from IKEA. I'm not sure the name, but I'm going to research it, put it down below if you want that same desk. I love this desk so much because of the width. It has the perfect amount of space for everything I need. Okay, so a lot of the things on my desk are from Amazon. So basically like the laptop stand, the keyboard, the pad for like the arms are all from Amazon. Then I have a water bottle that I got from Target where I keep my pens. It's from a local business, but you guys, you can find that on Amazon. Then I have like my iPad on the back with a little notepad, and I also have a Apple Pencil stand, which I love, and the Apple Pencil sleeve and the stand are both from Uppercase on Amazon, and they are the best. When we go to the other side of the desk, I have a little lamp, which I'm gonna show you. I have a little lamp that you can get from Amazon, but I got it from a local business. And here I have all the cables and everything that I need. I have an external hard drive, which I always use to edit my YouTube videos. The brand is Toshiba, and you can get it from Amazon. It's the 4 terabyte one. If you are wondering, the mouse pad is also from Amazon. I'm going to link it, don't worry. I have the Apple mouse, and I have like a cactus, which is real. It's a real cactus. Most of my plants are fake, but that one is real. And that is basically my desk. And the last part is this wall here, right next to my desk. So I have this little stand, I don't know, mini table stand, and I do not know where I got that from. I honestly don't know. I have also a whiteboard that I got from Target, and I have like a notebook, my Kindle, and on the floor I have like random stuff that I did not take out for the video. I have like a backpack and like trash, literal trash, and my bag for like my camera equipment and everything like that. So yeah, that is literally it. Okay besties, so that is my room. I hope you enjoyed the video. I know a lot of stuff is from like local businesses, but I did really try to find dupes or similar items on Amazon because Amazon is like universal. You can get things from Amazon. So I hope you enjoyed. This is where I spend most of my time, where I film and make all of my videos. And yeah, subscribe down below. Make sure to turn on the notification bell so you get notified when I upload more videos. Very important. And I will see you in my next one. Bye guys.
Sunday, you with flowers in your hand, you were dancing with your headphones on, didn't care that everyone was watching you moving.